Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chi. Welcome to Chi Diaries. Today's hairstyle is going to be how we went from this a short fussy hair to this beautiful cute two bun hairstyle, jungle braids pony bun hairstyle. So from the first clip you saw, I used a hand dryer to just lightly stretch out the hair. I didn't even use a comb in the process, just very lightly for a short time. I stretched out the hair, then I used a comb and combed it very well until I could grab like a good amount of the hair. At least 2/3 of the hair could fit into the ponytail. Not all of it because the hair is still short, but I was able to get 2/3 of it into the ponytail because I combed it very well. And then I used a band to pack the ponytail tightly but not uncomfortably. You get what I mean? If you don't make it tight, it go hard. So I got it as tight as I could without making her uncomfortable, and then I went in with Petals gel. This is a very popular, normal, most used gel in Nigeria. It is also like the most affordable, and in short, if you go to every average salon, low budget salon, high class salon, everybody uses this. It is good, but it's not as if there is anything splendid about it. It does the job, especially if you know what you're doing with it. So I went in with a brush and I brushed the hair, trying to get it to lie as flat as I can. And when I was done, the band was slippery and loose. Even if it wasn't, when you brush the hair, you're going to have like excess hair coming in that was stretched more. Like you have, the brush is going to stretch out the hair more, so you're going to have loose bun. And that was when I used a Brazilian wool to tie it again, because I know that Brazilian wool is not going to slip, so the hair is like, it's not slippery, it's not silky in any way, so it is going to stay put. I prefer using it to the sewing thread that we use for sewing, because this one is kind of thicker. It is thick. In my Nigerian accent, it is thicker. I feel bad for people who do not understand my accent sometimes, because but you can figure out what I'm saying because you're watching the video. I made the jungle knotless, no, not knotless, just the jungle ponytail or detachable ponytail differently. I just sewed it, like I made it out of her hair, and then I used the rubber band to attach it to her hair. So I have this very popular video of 3 different varieties of how to make jungle braids. I use the pull on one method where you braid and pull, braid, pull, braid, pull, just to make it a little bit more fluffy, and more fluffy is the right word, like butterfly. So that was what I did, and I wrapped it around, because we are not making this hairstyle for like a long wear. We I'm making it for a photo shoot, and it will not last more than, we don't need it to last up to 3 days safe. So I just used a bobby pin, which is going to last enough. But if you're wearing this hairstyle for like a week, I don't know, maybe by the grace of God your gel is going to last up to a week and still look okay. But if you're using a good gel, then you should probably sew. Just if you're using a magical gel like the gorilla spray that is going to last you forever, then you should probably sew sew the bond so that it will last too. I'm just kidding. If you're wearing this hair for up to 3 days, and you don't want to keep repinning and restyling, then you should sew it. Use a needle and thread and sew it. So when I was done with this bun, I noticed that it was just bigger, like fluffier than the other one. I don't like it, so I took it down and then wrapped it tightly. This is just to show you that the way you wrap the bun is going to affect the output at the end of the day. So now I am wrapping, you can even tell from the way the wrapping is going on, I am making it tight, like more tight than the first one. And I hope you saw, like, after rubbing the gel on her hair, I tied it down with a scarf and let it set, like I let it dry that way for about at least 30 minutes. The longer you wait, the better, but I waited long enough to make the gel on her smaller sister. You can see her on the chair over there with her own scarf. Lucky for us, she didn't take it off. So I did her sister's gel, then I came back to hers. So that took, you just need to give it as much time as you can afford to, and if you have a hooded dryer, you can sit under it if you want the gel to cake more and be stronger, to last more. But that was okay for us. As you can see, her fussy hair is laid, it is laid. So because of the way I tied the scarf, it roughened some part of the hair at the back. If I used wrap strips, then this wouldn't have happened, but I had to retouch the back. Then adding the accessories, I am going to insert a picture of the sample hairstyle here that I tried to recreate. So it had this type of accessory and we still used it for this one. I just tried to apply it the way I saw it in the picture, and it made the hair so cute, so cute and girly and just fun and exciting. Like when you have little girls, why not their hair is supposed to be cute, not matured, like age appropriate and fun. Some people just hold back, it's cheesy. The hair is not for you, it's for the girl. It's supposed to be cheesy and girly and fun and just fun and more fun. So don't make adult hair for children. Just decorate it as much as they are comfortable with and just let them have fun. Before they grow up, it doesn't take time. Before you know, now these ones are teenagers, and then they're no more cute babies. They're now adults, and they will now start facing the nonsense things that comes with being an adult. Like, you cannot just be yourself and enjoy your life. Just let them have fun now that they are so young and free, and let them be kids. So of course you can tell they love the hair. I just played around with her edges a little bit while trying not to scatter my hair or scatter the hair, but you can see her hair is laid. And of course we had to have a photo shoot and everybody was involved. And wait for the runway walk. Wait, I am a bad camera person when it comes to this. I don't know why I was shaking my hands, but see, my model she's slaying it. She's selling the dress, she's selling the hair. So if you have a little girl with short fussy type 4 hair, I have loads of videos, loads of style inspirations and just techniques, how to lose, how to handle them, how to detangle, braid, school hairstyles, long-term hairstyles, like so much goodies. I have them linked in the playlist. Little girl, black girl hairstyles in my description bar. Please check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.